Medical and Okesiwan day on top fry pan right now. Hey, yeah. Okesiwan in the building. Yeah. My people, serious matter day on ground now. These people now, be like say this year start with beef upon beef, fight upon fight. As I dey talk to now. Anyhow, shall make a first tell una small about these people for now. We don't know them. Two of them be Ghana musicians. And two of them, they drop hits back to back. And along the way, like in the past, they be friends before. Where, you understand, not be everybody go there with you forever. You understand? So now, Wahala come. And right now, Medical go tweet. In context, say it's pathetic how people throw away years of friendship just for 24 hours clout. Now so Okesiwan too can't give her back. You understand? He can't reply her. He can't say, Clout, are you okay? You mess up, so admit it and apologize and stop running your mouth. So if it was an artist, you would have run your mouth. But with me, you have met your meter. My people, no be smart. See the tweeting plenty, and not just one wasting of time. Even what did they call this guy? AMG Amani. Enter too. That one, you know, say they part of Medical group. You understand? So in come and in come to say this royalty is something I don't tolerate. My people, Fela Makafu too join. You know, say now her husband they involved. That one just call. Hey, come they laugh. Serious matter now. And right now, after they talk to everybody, just they bring their own back to back. I know say now, go they tell me say, Madam Aproko, how you know say Medical refer to Okesi and Okesi can't refer to Medical? It is very simple. Clout they Medical statement, Clout they Okesiwan statement. So by the time you bring them together, clout plus clout is equals to what? Give yourself the answer. My people now, so I find out say these people they refer to themselves. You know, say me to get matter no be my problem. So I always they bring una the hottest ones. Okesiwan now. He dey on fire like this guy. For now, we don't even remember Okesiwan. That guy where they disgrace for studio. You understand that period where you go where they na him. My people now, he don't give Medical back to back. When I face hear this matter from my head, I be like, Medical suppose, you understand, because I dey see Medical as person where you know if he try nonsense with her, you know if he almost Okesiwan don't bring Medical down. He bring, you know understand, even the matching head. Hey! So true, Medical don't meet him meter. Open all the big body, all the mouth, all the this thing. See, small thing. And he not fit talk again. He not fit talk again. You don't see how many tweets. Okay, so just give her back to back. All of a sudden now, Medical don't turn, what did they call a positive preacher. All of a sudden, Medical way on a normal day, if you give her one, you don't reach like 100. Now, wow, Accra la red, la Accra, la musician, la Medical, la. In fact, my people, this is a circle of every chairman now. Don't get another chairman. And as he be now, Medical they fear to reply Okesiwan because he know say chairman go bring up another secret because plenty secrets full these people matter, my people. But make una no worry because now every day thing I go they bring for Nana. Why una not supposed to miss all these things? Or more Fela Makafi don't involve herself. I just they pray say Okesiwan no go tweet Fela Makafi matter because the way Okesiwan mouth no good. Hey, Fela go just cry. Imagine if they feel mellow her husband. She be chewing gum now, something way Okesiwan go just bring her. Oh, my people, secret, they this thing, you know. And the one who even shock me now. Now that matter still there on top like this. Where Okesiwan come to say Medical they betray AMG. Hey, where did they see rich niggas? My people. Now be say if Medical they will rich people, even they deny in gang, they deny in group. Chineke, Ghana musicians. I beg, if you want kill yourself, make una kill yourself. You understand? Me. Today I'm not here for peace. Oh. I'm not here for peace and I'm not here for war. But if you want to kill yourself, Biko kill yourself. I'm in a very happy mood. But Biko, Before una die, you understand? In case una won't die. Before una die, I go send una my account number. All una money, since I see una no get anything to do with una money again. Because send out to me, then you can go in peace. You understand? My people, now the matter be this. Serious war. Too strong and good music. You not don't hear these people music. Hey, now the yeah, they triggerize my blood. Yeah. I beg you, now the matter be this. Drop the comment for the comment section. I'll make sure say you share this video because the matter they hot. So I still want make people hear this thing. Make them know say I don't talk and I need that money. Make they send that to my account. You understand? Stay tuned for our next story. DJ Cuppy and Zlatan. For now, when you remember this matter, they've been there on a very serious fighting mood where Zlatan no collect money where DJ Cuppy supposed to give him. You understand all the matter will happen. And after that one, DJ Cuppy can't bring in lawyer. You understand? So the lawyer now can't give Israel way involved inside the matter. According to people, they say the matter no concern them. That will not be my business. So DJ Cuppy lawyer can't bring matter, give Israel. He can't tell and say he gets 7 days to apologize. Not just apology, he go do it publicly for media, internet. Everybody go here say he do apologize and make it tell the whole world say the matter went right before. Now false. My people, now as I dey talk to una, person don humble himself. Israel don, in fact, he get one way I see and way kneel down. He get one way, in fact, the boy no even know which corner to even use prostrate again. He don't do video now, go apologize. They talk many things. I beg, I not just want wasting our time. So make we go straight to the point. So for now, we don't know who be Israel and how he take apologize. Join me, make we watch the video.
My name is Afiari Israel. I want to apologize to you, Cuppy or Tedola, for my last post, between you and the Zlatan issue. I'm very sorry for the embarrassment it has cost you and your person and your family. I want to say, please don't be offended, please. Please don't be offended, please. It will never happen again, please. Maybe by retracting that statement, I'm sorry, it's false. It was actually what I heard. Please don't be offended, please. Please, we've been good friends for many years, including your dad. So please, don't be offended, please, Cuppy. Please, thank you very much.
If una ask me, my people, the truth don't already come out. Una understand? Now, everybody don't they talk, apologize. Ungwano, you don't apologize now. But the fact remains saying we know the truth. Me and you, inside our heart, you understand? We know the truth. So whether he apologize or you not apologize, the deed has been done. Damage has been done. So now, many of them now, because I don't hear many things, people they give DJ Cuppy accolades, they clap for round, they talk, say, you know, they joke with person, wait, papa get money, many things. I beg my people, I get one question. Una think say, if truly, because na matter reach me, you understand? See my mouth, I not talk anything. The people just they talk and so I don't bring and come. Because people now don't they talk say DJ Cuppy they stingy, say she know they give. In fact, many complain. Now I don't come to this question. Say if truly DJ Cuppy they nice, because if una they talk say she they nice, she know they stingy. Una think say Israel go come outside, come make statement where he make. No, make una think am because see. Even though person talk 100 lies, one truth could be inside that lie. So we need look very well inside this matter. May not come be say person they use in papa wealth, you understand? To they intimidate people, they bring people down, they silence people, you understand? See, I know they support anybody, might be say, may we just go straight to facts. Even though Israel they right, he get choice. You don't get choice now. You must apologize. It's not Cuppy we're talking about. Money they talk. See, we don't need start they argue many things now. Imagine. No, make we even look at from this other angle. Una know who be Otedola. Person way he buy in 3 daughters Ferrari at once. Israel no get money. See, imagine say these people drag this theater court. Israel go just turn cockroach. Because where you want start? No, where you want start, where you want say who you dey fight. Now we no dey even look copy now, na the person wey dey behind copy. My people see money dey. E dey very obvious now say this case, the way they drag go court, e go lose am. And the thing wey now come dey pay me for all this matter, no be even the apology, no be even wetin DJ Cuppy do, no be even a lawyer. The thing wey dey pay me now, Davido, Zlatan. These two people, I get serious problem with them. Because they say, nah, Davido PA. Davido never come outside, though. I mean, they think say, okay, since you don't enter court matter, police matter, you understand, you go come outside, go and talk something or do something. Zlatan, when now because of you, person even won't go cut in neck. Now because of you, this guy don't enter this matter now. I don't hear your voice. You not come outside, can't say, okay, they can't defend person. So now don't give up on this guy. As wahala boss, now don't leave this boy, now don't. My people, this thing supposed to tell us one thing. Say for this life, no kill yourself for anybody. Because person wey they think say they support, you they die for. See am. Where's Zlatan now? That one don't silent in voice. We not even dey hear him again. Now wow, last this life no balance. This life no balance. Now so you go, if this guy now, make we just assume say he drag this thing, he go just enter prison for nothing. And nobody go even bail him out. Money na powerful tool. Money don't take over people's conscience. Money don't take over people's voice. In fact, money don't take over everybody's life. See case. Just once. 7 days. The guy don't come outside. Sharp. Because you don't want to die. You don't want to go prison. So you need to apologize. If you not even watch the video very well. Anyhow, make I know, you understand? Make I know just bring out some points before I go start to tell me many things. My people are beg, wait till you think concerning this matter. Now why I bring up? Because now, if I make I even use myself, are they in between two walls? I don't know whether this guy do right, we apologize. I don't know whether DJ Cuppy do right, we bring lawyer. Waiting una think now una be my main people for this matter. So drop am for the comment section. Any thoughts, anything you want to say, or you think say suppose happen, will no happen. Oh yeah, drop am there. Me and una go discuss am one by one. And if you never subscribe, it is very important. You go dey miss anything when we drop. So click on that bell where they there. In fact, destroy that bell. You understand? Click on so that you don't go miss anything when we drop. Meanwhile, make we go next onto our next story.